welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. So I'm out on a lovely autumn walk, kicking through the leaves and enjoying the lovely sunshine. It's nice and crisp. It's getting a little bit cooler but not too cold. It's just that perfect time of year. So we're getting very close to Halloween now. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I have transformed the house for Halloween. And also some of the things that I've made for Halloween. I've done a few crafty things. Earlier in the year, I went shopping at Home Sense and bought some pumpkins and things and had a look around their Halloween stuff, which inspired me to make a few things of my own. So I'm going to show you what I've done and also show you the house. The Phantom Postbox Knitter has surpassed themselves with their Halloween display. So we've got the sticks that were there before have now got scarves on. We've got a whole curtain of conkers. We've got ghosts, jack-o'-lanterns, a witch, another ghost on the top and a pumpkin, and they've even draped over some spiders' webs complete with spiders. So we're definitely in the Halloween season, which is coming up at the end of this week. So let's have a look around and see what I have done. I took inspiration from these houses that I saw in Home Sense, sort of used ideas from all of them to create my own. I bought a little kit from Hobbycraft, which you can see here, and I went with the idea of the moon up above on the wire and the bat, and then I painted it using some of the colour inspiration that I'd seen in the shop. I got some cool stickers, which I have actually utilised on this house and my other house that I've made. So I was really pleased with this, and I took the inspiration from the shop and kind of made my own version, obviously a lot cheaper. And then also, you'll recall, I showed you this video a few weeks ago. It's the house I bought from the car boot, and I made it into a Halloween house that was also inspired by the Halloween houses that I saw at Home Sense. And on the comments for that video, Annaliana100 said that my Halloween house needed a cat. So here he is. I hope you like him. He's going to live upstairs with the skeleton. I also saw this cute ornament in Home Sense, which I just really liked the look of it, and I thought I'll do something similar, not quite exact, but I've gone with the books and I've put a pumpkin on top, and then I've put it inside a cloche instead of a crystal ball. But I really like it. As I say, I just was inspired by the books, and they were really easy to make. I just got A4 paper, cut it into squares, wrapped coloured paper around, and then just used sticky letters and stickers and writing just to create the books. That's all the crafting things for now, although that said, there's a few more coming up in the video later on. I've made a couple of ghosts for the living room. I also did a ghost in a cloche for the kitchen. And I also got some stones that I actually painted last year, but you'll see those in the office at the end. So there is a couple more things to come, but I'm really pleased with all my lovely autumn crafting. I've enjoyed sitting in my lovely new office with my candles on, feeling all cosy, making my autumn things. Okay, let's have a look what I've done in the kitchen then. So I got these marshmallows from Poundland, and I got this lovely glass pumpkin jar from Home Bargains. They've been very popular this year, but they did have a load in, so there might still be a chance to get one, you never know. And I've put all the ghosts in around the outside, and then I've put a nice little pumpkin surprise in the middle. I also picked up these eyes and jack-o'-lanterns from Poundland also, and I thought I'll put them on my tiered tray. So this is the start before I've fully done the tiered tray for autumn. So I thought I'd get these on, rearrange things around them, and then make the tiered tray sort of like a focal point for Halloween in the kitchen. So here's the Halloween tiered tray. Then I've got witch's brew mug, black pumpkins, a black cat, one of my skeletons from Poundland, a cauldron, hay boo, and then a jack-o'-lantern, and then my lovely nibbles. They were actually candles, those were, but they can't use the candles last year, and now they're little treat holders. And then I've got my trick or treat rolling pin there as well. And I've got a few things in the kitchen that I made. I think I made them earlier in the year, so I'll put a link to the video where I made them so you can see how they were done. I did a couple of rolling pins and a spoon, and as you can see in here, I've got my ghost tray on the outside and my pumpkins on the inside. Yummy. So there's the ghost in the cloche that I made. I just used some netting and put little face on, and then I used some of the spider webbing I had left and put a couple of glitter pumpkins in and a couple of spiders, and that's job done. Again, nice, simple, easy thing that you can do yourself, and then it's just fun because you've got your own personal decorations. The bats on there I cut out myself as well last year, and they're handy just to put on stuff, and they look really good on lampshades as well. So there's another tip. So I kept Halloween sort of centred on the fireplace in the living room. I didn't want to spread it all around the place, so I've kept it focused on the mantelpiece. I think it looks really cool. Then I've put a little bit out in the hall, and then obviously my office, and I did sneak a little bit in the powder room as well. So keep watching and you'll see what we did there. So I got another one of those skeletons from Poundland, pinned his arms onto a little pumpkin, put a bit of blue tack on the back of his head so I could stick him on the wall. And then I got a printable. I just changed my Seat Yourself printable to a raven, and it's actually sort of still works with the sitting because it says still is sitting, sitting, waiting. So I thought, well, that sort of works. So I've changed that, and then I've also changed the pictures to witches and a pumpkin and a witch. I think they're pretty cool because they're still in that vintage style. They're from the same place that I got my legs from. It's a website called Navage Patch. So they do some really cool vintage printables, and I was really pleased with those. My pumpkin potion wax melts on the go, which smells delicious, and I've got my spooky sugar skull and a couple of pumpkins in a cloche. And I'm just getting ready to have a lovely Halloween weekend. I hope you have fun whatever you do. Stay spooky and have a happy Halloween. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe and drop me a comment, and I'll see you next week for another video. So for now, bye bye, take care.